Thanks to the work carried out by a group of students, the Big Ben bell is going to be moved into the tower above London Business School's newly opened Sammy Ofer Centre.
The former Westminster Council building in Marylebone now houses the new LBS campus. The structure has a tower that can now accommodate the Big Ben bell.
After lobbying with the authorities, it was decided to move the bell as part of the Palace of Westminster restoration and renewal program.
The reaction to the move has been positive.
Actually, I'm quite happy the Big Ben bell is going to stay in the city of Westminster.
The Big Ben is a British landmark known all over the world. Seems strange to move it. I don't know, is it something to do with Brexit?
The bell's been here for over 150 years. A move doesn't seem like such a bad idea.
Given the close relationship LBS has with the authorities, a handful of our LBS representatives managed to organize a meeting. We discussed the details of moving the bell in the Sammy Ofer Centre Tower.
We just had a 4-hour meeting with the council, ironing out the final details. We really want Big Ben to stay in the Westminster area. There are some difficulties with the Big Ben trademark. We might have to change the name of the bell from Big Ben to something else. It is going to be a long process, but the foundations have already been laid. Last year's building work on the tower made it possible for us to house the bell there. Despite the challenges, I think we have a really great opportunity.
A lot of people have been asking me, how on earth do you move a bell that's 150 years old and weighs as much as an elephant? Let alone, how do you get it up to the top of a tower as high as this one? However, we know this is possible.
If I have to describe the Big Ben move in one word, I'd say it's timely.
Amazing.
Proud. It's great, isn't it?
Historical moment.